Welcome to my class Super KBNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to discuss the question and answer part of class 4th English, and the unit is a watering rhyme. So let's begin the class. In the first sections, the question is, what is the best time to water the plants? And the answer is, early in the morning or the evening are the best time to water the plants. You should always water in the morning or in the evening. When should we not water the plants? We should not water the plants during the midday, in between the noon hour. Which part of the plant should be watered? The roots of the plant should be watered. You should always water in the root area of the plants. In the next sections, you can see, place the letters in their right order to form the names of the flowers. You have to resemble the letters. You can see here, first one PAETWEES, the answer will be sweet pea. Next one MRAIDOLG, it will be marigold. JMINEAS, it will be jasmine. TLOUS, it will be lotus. ARGOM, it will be mogra. DHAAIL, it will be dahlia. XOLPS, it will be phlox. ANSPY, it will be pansy. BISIHCUS, it will be hibiscus. So these are the flowers. You have to decode it. You can see the images here also of the flowers. The next one, it is all about your own answer. Do you have a garden? In case you are having, you can say yes, or in case you don't have, you can say no also. Yes, I have a garden. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. There are rose, marigold, jasmine and lotus. You can write accordingly as per the availability of flowers in your area or in your house. Give another word for thirsty feet. Thirsty feet here means roots. The next section, what happens when we water plants in the morning? If we water in the morning, what will happen? There are two options, they will grow well or they will dry off. Of course, they will grow well. The next one, from where do flowers get water? From the bottom or from the top? From the bottom means the roots, or from the top means from leaves. And the answer is, they get the water from the bottom, means from the roots. Now you can see here the rhyming words for the words given below. Morning, you have to write the rhyming words. Evening, car, bar. High, fly. Birds, roots. Hit, wait. Wear, hair. You can write as per your choice. In the next section, you can see, put like, morning, evening, watering and in ing. So I have to write 6 more words. Here you can see the answer also. You have to add ing to the verb, play plus ing playing, jump plus ing jumping, sing plus ing singing, laugh plus ing laughing, go plus ing going, cook plus ing cooking. In this way you can frame as per your choice. Now the next one, look for words in the poem which sounds like the words given below. You have to find the words which sounds exactly, not exactly like that, but little bit in similar. For example, R, in this poem it is R, there it is there, flower it is flower, where it is where, sun it is sun, through its throat. So these are the words which are almost all similarly sounded. You have to find these words only from the particular poem. In the sentence below, the capital letters, commas, full stops and question marks are missing. You have to correct the sentences and you have to rewrite it. For example, I am showing you, on Monday I will go to school. Here you can see the sentence should be start with the capital letter, but it is not here. So you have to write on Monday. The M letter of the Monday, it will be capital on Monday. After that you have to put one comma, I will go to school, and finally a full stop. Next one, Rahim, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Here three friends are there, Rahim, Ravi and Raju. You have to make the names start with capital letters. You can write in this way, Rahim, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Sita, where are you looking? Sita, S will be capital. After that you have to put one comma. Where are you looking? As it is a question, you have to put the question mark there. Next one, the tailor went to the market. Mr. Singh. Start the letters with the T, it will be capital. The tailor went to the market. After that put comma and Mr. Singh, then one full stop. Few more questions are there. Every Sunday I go for a walk, have breakfast, read storybooks, listen to music and watch television. So let's start the sentence with capital. Every Sunday I go for walk, comma, have breakfast, comma, read storybooks, comma, listen to music and watch television. Then one full stop is there. Lakshmi, why are you crying? We have to write Lakshmi, L with capitals. After that one comma, why are you crying? You have to put one question mark after that. Oranges, mangoes, bananas and papayas are fruits. You have to write with all fruits in capital. Oranges, mangoes, bananas and papayas are fruits. So this was all about the question and answer discussion of the watering rhyme. We will be here with one more video in the next sessions. So till that time, stay home, stay safe. In case you have any query, you can visit my blog superkvns.blogspot.com, or you can write me directly at akm.kvs@gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.